Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Schwab using ACH or wire transfers step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Schwab using an ACH transfer, begin by logging into your Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts section on the main dashboard. Select Transfers from the available options. Click on Withdrawals. Choose your bank account as the destination for the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select the frequency of the transfer, whether it's a one-time transaction or recurring. Review the details you provided to ensure everything is accurate. Submit the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. For wire transfers, start by logging into your Schwab account. Again, navigate to the Accounts section. Select Transfers from the menu. Click on Withdrawals. Choose the Wire Transfer option. Fill in the required bank information for the receiving account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Specify the purpose of the wire transfer if prompted. Review your entered information thoroughly. Confirm your wire transfer request. Schwab will send you a confirmation once the wire transfer is initiated. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Be aware of any potential fees associated with wire transfers compared to ACH. Plan your withdrawals to allow for processing times, especially if you need the funds quickly. If you encounter any issues during the process, reach out to Schwab's customer support for assistance. Always keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.